What's up, guys? So my hair is all jacked up. Look at my hair. What's up, guys? Junior here. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for checking out this video. As you can see, we're here at the airport, and it looks empty, but I had to find an empty spot where, you know, I'm still kind of new at this vlogging thing, so I didn't want to look too weird in front of people trying to do this intro. So I had to find this kind of empty place. Check it out. Look at it. Real empty. No one's here but me. Thanks for tuning into this vlog. We are headed to our not so secret location. Got some cool things planned. It's like a travel video slash whatever happens during our vacation. I'm just gonna capture it and do my best to get it on video. I'm on vacation with my family, so it's a good thing. I feel it's super important to get away and recharge. You gotta take a break. You gotta relax and chill out for a bit. Next time I see you, we'll be in our location. See you guys later. Let's go. We have arrived here at undisclosed location.
Seattle.
It's supposed to be a surprise for the viewers, man. They don't know where we're at. We could be in Germany or France or somewhere exotic. Look at the baggage claim art. According to my son, it's called the Bagage Siskabob. We're over here in Sweden right now, and about to make a trip over to Germany, and then to France, then to Spain, and then back to Seattle. Oh, it's cold. It's cold here. I forgot my regular hoodie, and I have to bust out the heavy jacket. Oh, it's cold here. We ain't Hawaii anymore. Oh, yeah, this is cold. All right, much better, much better. I got my coat on now, and we are in Seattle. See it? See it? Huh? All my family's bundled up. We all got our coats on, and we are ready to go. Looking for a rent-a-car, and that's our next stop, is to find our rent-a-car. And so it's cold. It is cold, so cold. Got my gloves here. And 41 degrees, and that's the high. 45 degrees. It's supposed to get down to 29 degrees. 23 degrees. On Monday. Well, that should be fun.
Outside the house.
He's gonna take a picture with him just in shorts and shirt. Shorts and a shirt? T-shirt?
Just like this. And wearing and barefoot. Because I don't have slippers.
He's gonna go with no shoes, shorts, shirt, in the snow. That's the challenge.
Snow angel. Snow angel.
here. We made it to our Airbnb, but as you can tell, it's kind of dark in here. Had to find a window with some light because the high winds and I guess the weather, it knocked out the power. So we are kind of without power right now, but it's kind of good. We're gonna head down the street. Hopefully they have power. Heard there's a good cafe called Easy Street Kitchen, Easy Street Cafe. I don't know, we're gonna find out. Our hosts for the Airbnb said it was a good place to go. So we're gonna have breakfast and come back, hopefully have power when we get back. So check you guys out later. Aloha. We are somewhere looking for breakfast. We're going to the Easy Street Cafe. So we will be there in a short moment. We're here at the Easy Street Cafe, about to wait for our tables. Cool little record shop. A lot of vinyl, a lot of vintage stuff. Apparently a lot of crazy things happen over here. So it's a famous place. Musicians come and play on the stage over here. So check them out. Follow them on Instagram or Facebook or not. Easy Street Cafe. Finished eating at the Easy Street Cafe. If you guys are ever in this part of the country, eat over there, man. Really good food, super good food out there. Great omelets, good eggs. They say it's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's supposed to snow right here where we're at in our Airbnb. So if that happens, that'd be cool.